welcome guys. Nandito na naman tayo, nagbabalik. At nandito tayo sa most nasikat na si LC. At siya ay umabot na sa subscriber niya ay 1.83 million subscriber. At ang sinabi niya pa dito ay hirap pala. Ito guys, ano, may na siya. At pupunta tayo sa kanyang bagong video na new update of Pet Simulator 99. Kaya papanoodin natin to dahil hindi tayo makaka-video ngayon sa Pet Simulator 99. Kaya abangan nyo na lang kung maglalaro tayo ng Pet Simulator 99. At 13 minutes tayo yata lang. At
Backrooms, please wait. These backrooms, OMG real still says
LC. Ay, skip na rin guys. Nandito na tayo kay SLC at manonood na tayo yung kanyang video. At simulan na natin. Na.
the deep backrooms, please wait. Deep backrooms, OMG real still says please wait. Oh! Look, it's open. The portal's open. There's this weird purple pet here. We're gonna get it. Steve is out touching grass. I think we all know where Steve is. CZK is filling in for Steve, the proud owner of a Titanic pink balloon cap. Okay, let's hunt deep inside the backrooms. Let's go. As the backrooms worked so well in last week's update, they're doing more backrooms, and it is slightly different. Look, I promise you, come over here. See, look, go deeper. Look, there's black sludge everywhere. Wait, what is this?
At kung makikita nyo naman dito guys, sa logong to, ay merong may nakalagay na ito. Hindi natin alam kung ano yan guys. Yan, kung ano yan. Ano sa tingin nyo yan? Hindi ko pa yan nakita kasi guys mula ngayon dahil sa update ni Preston. At itong chest na to. Comment nyo nga guys kung anong ibibigay ng chest na yan. Comment. At itong grabe to. Yan oh. Yan, grabe yan guys. Pati yung sa pinakadulo. Yan daw oh. Ito ding doors. Yan. At may napapansin ako sa videong ito kay LCLC na bakit yan. Kasi napanood ko to is may pinindot siya dyan eh. Basta panoodin na lang natin guys. Play na natin.
Yo, I just got a bunch of stuff for free. Oh, it's so scary. It's okay, dude. I will look after you. Oh, wait. I need an eye coin to open it. Open it for 1 point.
1.25 million na ganyan. What? Para ma-open? Guys, ang hirap kaya nun. 1K lang yung ganyan ko eh. Grabe naman si Preston. Napapahirap niya. Panoodin na natin.
Yeah, I've got that. John goes on his hoverboard. Oh, bro. How did he do that? Let's go.
Paano siya boy. Ano? Kung nakikita nyo yan guys, hindi siya lumulutang siya, pero wala akong nakikita. Pero bakit ganyan? Di ba bawal? Di ba magganyan? Yung tinry ko ngayon guys bawal. Hindi ko na lang alam kay Preston.
Good eggs are far behind locked doors. There's some other messages here. Ziggurat, explore for better eggs, something more damage. I don't know what any of this stuff says, but there is a new egg. Oh, wait. There's a new huge egg.
Makaka-hatch tayo ng huge. So, 0.34% lang para makuha tong parang alien na yan. Yan. Ito guys, nakuha ko na to bigla. Mabilisan ko lang yung nakuha. Yung isang pindot ko lang. Isa lang yung egg na inano ko. Tapos biglang nakikita ko, boy. Tignan mo naman, 2.25% lang yan. Pero nakuha ko kaagad. Hirap nun. At hindi ko lang nahahatch palagi ay itong huge na yan. Itong kalakihang yan. Ang hirap i-hatch yan. Yan guys, oh yan. Ang hirap yan i-hatch,
Let's
guys.
try and hatch one. Oh! Bro, I
Wow.
didn't get it. What a surprise. Let's just choose a direction. Oh, wait. There's stuff down the
Oops,
corridors.
just one naman dito.
Wait. Let's get rid of this thing and wait. That's a nice boulder. It is a nice boulder. It's a very nice boulder. I'm just caressing the boulder right
Gaya
now. Oh,
na
wait.
yata to eh.
What is happening with my feet? I'm leaving footprints. I'm leaving stinky footprints all over the floor. Okay, this is cool. Now we can see where we've gone and where we haven't gone. Chocolate's cheating. He's on the hoverboard. Go ahead and find something. He's found a hashtag. Another egg. Let me open
Another
it. Give
egg,
us something
guys.
huge. No huge. Only a 3 times chance. The sludge kills you. I don't know if these backrooms updates count as high effort, but it's so
Baka nyo
fun,
guys
you know.
yung
Milking the
ano ko dito
backrooms.
ilalabas ko. Pero,
Okay, children, stick together. Yes, we'll hold hands. Obviously, finds all new rooms, part 2. Yes, I will find all new. Yes, of course I will, but let's find the super boss fight. What is that? It's literally a huge...
oops. Pansin ko to guys. Itong blong to. Mawawala ba yan? Tsaka itong chest na naman guys. Meron na naman. Meron na naman huge. Free ba yan?
There, lighting there. What the? It's just sitting here. Like,
Oh, so yun siya guys oh. Tumitingin siya.
what is this? Can I...
Oops! Nawala siya dito. Guys, nawala siya. Nawala. Grabe naman yun.
Oh! It just disappeared. It's almost spooky. Let me just pop this while we're here. This is some kind of glitch back room. Why is it so dark in here? I kind of missed the yellow wallpaper. Hang on. There's a new button here. Exclusive shop. Oh, they've
Oi.
added stuff. Oh! We'll buy all of this stuff, I promise. Oh, look at that. Just get that free set of keys for now, and we'll do this in a minute, yeah? Because there's more
Oh.
huges in here. But wait, now I've got this deep back rooms key. We might need that for further on.
Kaya
Don't
nga
lead the
yung
way.
keys
Keep
na yan,
hunting,
guys,
boys. We're
para
looking for the
ma-open mo
super
ng
boss.
door.
Where is the super boss? Choco is still cheating. How does he do that? This is a new room. 3x huge charge. We'll pop one just in case. No huge. Wait, is this the boss fight? Is this the... No, this is just a big chest. Let's eat it anyway and see what it gives us. Get your pets out, boys. Eat it. Oh,
Then
it's so
lang mga
crowded in
eat
here.
mo,
Can't
guys,
even see the
dyan.
chest. It's in there somewhere. It's got 432 quillion damage. Can I drop potions on a boost of paws? Look at this cat. He's loving it. Come on, fat boy. Joe Mama's fat booty. Can I say that? Dude, get out of there. Oh, no. Get
Guys,
out. Make sure you don't tap Joe Mama's booty. We're down to
ano yun,
69
guys?
million. 3, 2, 1.
Ano yun lang guys ah.
What did we get? Oh, we got some backroom keys and yo, I think that's it. Yeah, let's keep going, boys. This looks like a cool backroom. Wait, this looks like Half-Life. We got a free egg. What egg? There's an egg in there. Yo, are these guys working out the puzzle without me? Alright, let me just sit up here. Do the puzzle, guys. There's beans on toast here. Just gonna eat the beans on toast while these guys sort out the puzzle. Nom. Oh, bro, these guys suck. Yeah, you gotta do this.
Many unbearable hours later.
That looks like the witch cat from PSX. That doesn't go. Oh my gosh, you know what? This is more difficult than it looks.
20 minutes later.
Oh, I think I got it. You just gotta move the hat stuff around. Here is a picture of the witch cat, so we know what it looks like.
One eternity later.
I give up. This is basically impossible. And all that's in there is a 20x egg anyway. He says, I've done like half of it. I don't care. It'll still be here in like 5 minutes. Let's just keep moving down this dark, scary corridor. I just need you guys to come with me. We're going deeper into the back rooms. We're in the pillar room. There's 70 new rooms according to the blog. There's over 70 rooms to explore and tons of puzzles. Oh, look, the cap of coins is 1.01 billion. It was 995 million last week. We found a swimming pool. Boys, everyone jump in. Wow, that was deep. I even see my footprints in the swimming pool. Oh, bro, the emptiest swimming pool by Choco. No room. This has got gold in it and other stuff that we you know what, just skip
Siguro
past. We don't
guys,
need money
kaya
right now. We got 1 billion
may
money. All we need is to
nakasakay
find the boss chest. Oh, what have we found? 3x. All right, we'll just give it a spin. No huge.
Parang lang,
Oh,
parang.
another
Parang
new room.
glitch
What is
lang
this
din,
place?
guys.
Wait, I feel like we've been here
Yung
before.
ano na
Oh, a
yun.
locked door. Guys, over here, there's a locked door. Oh, yes.
At merong
I'm
nakalock
gonna use my
door.
key.
Ah, di ba?
Yes.
Sabi ko nyo guys, kailangan natin
no,
yan.
not a gems
Ah,
room. A gems room.
diamond.
Oh, are you serious?
Wait,
Might as well
pwede
eat it
din.
up and see how much gems we get. What do we get? A million.
Ay, sana all
1.45 million. Not bad.
Diyan na
This
ako
looks
mag-hatch,
sus. Look at
guys,
this.
pag
What's happening
nangyari
here?
ko
Look. Beep, 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 beep. This is all
Ano naman
jiggly.
mapunta
Wait,
tayo sa
I see
billion
something
ng
glowing.
diamond
Oh,
natin
it's
sa
just
sobrang
another
hirap
stupid
natin.
chest. Yeah, I'm coming, pink boy. Oh. No, it's just a throw. I'm gonna drop it anyway. Come on. Give me a 3x huge chance. Always a 0 chance of getting. I've never hatched a huge in the back rooms, other than paying for one. Boys, let's go. What is this place? Just pop it anyway. Just give it a try.
3
Come on,
times
huge.
ulit.
Oh, there's a new huge. I want to
Mahirap
catch it.
makahanap ng
Gotta
100
hatch them all.
times.
Gotta hatch them all.
Oh, what is over here? There's something dark and... Oh, it's the glitchy room. Choco, I want to do this hoverboard trick. How are you doing that? Oh, we found
wait
something.
lang.
It's some kind...
May napansin ako dito sa doors na to. Grabe naman yung pink na yan. Grabe yan guys, oh. Pink! Ay, nako. I love red, kaya dapat Preston red na lang yan.
The purple lit room. Purple room. Boss fight. It could be it. Inside everybody. Oh, so you're scared. I'm not scared. Oh. What is this place? It's got multiple doors. Knock. That's
Sana
not gonna
red
work.
na
Who
lang
tries
para
that
mas
stupid
maganda
trick every
tignan.
video?
Masakit lang
What
naman
about
sa
tapping
kamay.
them? No, wait. Chocolate's found one door that's open. Whoa,
Knock,
it's
knock.
got a brick wall behind it. What the? Keep moving. Follow these trails on the
Oopsie.
floor of poop. Oh, a new room. Oh! What is this?
New room.
This looks cool. Wait. There's a puzzle on the wall. Guys, I found a clue. There's a piece of paper here, a triangle. What does it mean? Oh, he's done it. I don't know what they did, but they're just so pro. I don't even need to play this game. I just have to follow these guys around. They'll do everything for me. If you want to know how it's done, then stay tuned. I'll probably find out later. Dead end. Are you serious? It can't be. He did all of that puzzle work for a No, there's got to be a hole in the wall. It can't be a dead end. Oh my gosh, these guys are trolling. Not even Pet Simulator anymore. I don't even need pets. Oh, what? Now we're trapped. Are you serious? I think we oof. Oh, wait. Where are we? Oh, that was easy. How did you do hoverboard? Yeah. Great instructions for everybody watching. When you TP to back rooms through the door, you know when your screen goes black, there is a little pet in the middle. Our pro is hacking, look at that. And you know when the little pet glitches and freezes for a bit? You have to click Q just before that. On the blog, they said they fixed it, lol. Sure they did. We're looking for the boss fight. We want to take out this boss together, guys. Come on. Portal. Guys, I found a portal. Follow me. Oh my gosh, this is the portal. Oh, where does it take us? Big sussy portal. Let's all go through together. We're going. Oh. Where am I? Everybody's been teleported to a different location. Oh no, I'm on my own in the back. Wait. I don't know what to do on my own. I need chocolate to hold my hat. Whoa, why is this floor? Oh, the floor's disappearing. What the god? I made it across. I don't know where I am, but I'm just gonna keep hunting, just in case there's something around here. I think I see something in the distance. Oh my gosh. It is. Just another stupid egg. You know when you click home and you drop down? I just landed on the normal back rooms. All right, ready? Oh, yes. I just landed on the normal back rooms. There's the new back rooms and this is the old back room. Oh my gosh, this is such a hack. You can even pick up gems here. Look. What is down here? There's some more stuff. Oh my gosh. We are literally underneath the deep back rooms. Look at all that stuff up there. I see the boss chest. We can see the boss chest from here. All right. Forget the old back rooms. Let's just jump to the Yes, we are back in the back rooms. I'm so confused. We're now in the deeper back rooms. Come on, let's go out. There's more green lights. Oh! What is that? Gargantuan Cracker.
Yan
Oh
yata
my
yung
gosh, is
nakita
this the
nila
boss
kanina,
chest? I think
guys,
it is,
yung
you
sa
know. What
baba
is it?
sila.
What if I jump? It just spawns back there. All right, let me have a go. Oh. Okay, that was fun. Dumb ways to die. So many dumb ways to die. Dumb ways to die. Whoa. What the? Can you guys see this? Literally a huge pet here. Oh! What? Guys, did you see that huge?
Guys.
Or was it just me? There was a huge right here. How did you get down there? Oh, I know. You just fall down here and easy. There's something behind him. I think there's something behind him. Take a closer look at his butt and... Balls! Sussy! These sussy balls kill you. Balls. Alright, let's just navigate our way through the balls without touching anyone's balls. We did it. Well done. There's something sus about the blue cat that keeps spawning around. And we still got to find the boss chest. Where is the boss chest? Wait, he's found something. Locked door. A locked door. Oh my gosh. I don't have a key. Luckily, I've got one. No! Can you get through now that I've opened it? Wait, the blue cat is right there. No, I can't see the blue cat. Can you guys come in here or not? Oh, these guys are stuck. Choco can't afford to get through. Maybe we should smash some of these chests so we get more keys. You never know. Oh. There is a door right here. What do we do with it? How do we open it? Oh! What? Turn this window 38! Might as well go over here and crack it, I guess. Let's try and get a huge. Ready? No huge. We have found the washing machines. This is perfect. My pants are filthy. Let's just put my pants in here and give them a wash. Right, let's go get some detergent from here. I'm starting to miss the yellow wallpaper. There's Blue Cat. Blue Cat. What are you doing here, bro? Tell me. Oh, he's disappeared. Let me catch up with the boys. I get scared on my own. What? Punch bag machine room number. I don't even know what this is. Must be room 69. That one there. Alright, deeper into the
guys,
back
dito
rooms.
na muna tinatapos
Alright, let's
ang
smash
ating
this
video.
chest because we might get a key.
Mag-like and
No, we got
subscribe.
coins
Peace
and
out.